Hey, it's Pilates instructor Tucker with McCrazy Fit, and this is a mat workout for the abs. We'll be seated and laying on our back for the entire workout. Grab your mat, here we go. We'll begin on our back in neutral spine position. Head resting gently on the mat. Inhale to prepare, exhale, lift the right leg into tabletop. Inhale down, left leg into tabletop, and down. Let's keep going. 10 total. Keep the belly tight. Hips are stable, spine is stable. Four more. Good. And now let's bring the right leg up into tabletop, bring the left leg to meet it, right down, left down. Do that again, switching starting legs, left up, left down, right down. Good, keep going, alternating, starting legs each time. Building up here in the neutral series, and also creating that nice mind-muscle connection. Good job. Last one. Great. Inhale, exhale to prepare. Bring both knees up into tabletop. Inhale, exhale, extend the right leg straight. Bring it back. Inhale, exhale, left leg out. Inhale, back in. Keep going. Total of 10. Belly's tight. Careful not to arch the lower back as the leg extends. We're not carrying any tension in our neck or shoulders. 4 more. Great job. Last one. And feet come down. Good. We'll let that rest for a moment and bring up the arms. Inhale, arms come overhead. Exhale down. Good. 4 more. Great job. As the arms come overhead, feel the shoulder muscles rotate. And back down. Lower back stable. Careful not to arch the lower back as the arms come up. Great job. Now we're going to alternate leg and arm extensions. So inhale to prepare, exhale, both knees into tabletop. Let's extend the right leg and lift the left arm overhead and back. Good. Extend the left leg, right arm overhead and back. Keep going. Exhale on the extension. Inhale in. Good. Good. Keep going. Keep that belly nice and tight. Careful not to arch the lower back on the extension. Excellent. Keep going. 4 more. Last one. And legs come down. We're going to move into an ab prep. So inhale to prepare, exhale, tuck the chin and curl up till the shoulder blades are off the mat, and inhale back down. And again, exhale up, reach the fingers long. Inhale down. 3 more. Last one. Good. Both knees into tabletop. Curl up. Let's place the hands on the shins. Inhale, straighten the arms, straighten the legs. Exhale, back. Good, again. And back. 8 more. Good. Curl up a little higher. There's 5, straight legs. Belly's tight, careful not to arch the lower back. Good job, 3 more. Curl up a little higher. Last one. Head down and feet down, great job. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, both knees up. Curl up again. Same movement, this time we're going arms overhead. Inhale, extend the legs, arms overhead. Exhale, back. Great job, 8 more. Curl up a little higher. Great job. Last 3. Last one. Good, head down, feet down, and let's let the head fall to the left and fall to the right a few times to release any tension. That was double leg stretch. Let's move right into the 100. Bring both knees into tabletop. Curl up into ab prep. Extend the legs. We're going to pump the arms. 5 pumps per inhale, 5 pumps per exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Keep going. That's 3. We're going for 10. Curl up a little higher. There you go, that's 7. Keep the breath going. Good job, there's 9. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knees in, head down, and feet down. Excellent job. Let's bring the hands behind the head. Exhale up. Good, back down. Give me 5 of those. Keep the elbows back behind the face. Good, last one. And down, let's bring both knees up into tabletop and give me another crunch. Careful not to let the lower back sink into the mat. 3 more, exhale up. Inhale down, good. Great job, let's build on that. Come up, and we're gonna extend the right leg while the right armpit tries to touch the left thigh. And back, and alternate. Extend the left leg, left armpit tries to touch the right thigh. And back, good, let's keep going, give me 10 total. Curling up a little higher on the twist. There's 6. Great job, last 2. Good, head down. Feet come down, arms back down to the sides. And let's bring the feet out a little farther down the mat. We're going to move into a roll up, and the farther the feet are away from the body lowers the degree of difficulty. So we're going to bring the feet out far enough so that we can complete this exercise with perfect form. Let's bring the hands overhead. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, arms come down, ab prep, and coming all the way up. Good, inhale at the top, exhale. Curve the abdomen into a C and roll all the way down. Good, inhale, arms overhead. Exhale. Up straight, great job. Inhale back down, exhale back down. There's 3, we're doing 10. And if it becomes too challenging, then we can bring the feet out farther, even go legs straight. Five more. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, arms down, all the way up. Inhale at the top, exhale back down. 4 more. Great job. Arms come overhead, careful not to overarch the lower back. Last 2. Great job this last one. We'll stay up. And move into a half roll down. So just what we were doing. Abdomen forms into a C shape. Slowly roll down about halfway. Stop, inhale, exhale up, inhale straight. So again, exhale, roll down. Pause, inhale, exhale, hinge up. Inhale up straight. Give me 10. There's 3. Halfway there. Good job. Three more. Exhale down. Pause. Inhale. Exhale. Hinge forward. Inhale straight up. Great job. Last one. Stay halfway down and let's float the arms up and down for 10. Keep breathing. There's 4. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Roll all the way down and bring the feet back up to about 90 degrees at the knees. And I want a posterior pelvic tilt, so exhale, point the tailbone forward, sink the lower back into the mat, and inhale back to neutral spine. Let's go for 5. Exhale. Tailbone points forward, lower back sinks in the mat. Inhale back to neutral spine. Good. 3 more. And now on this last one, moving into a pelvic bowl. So we posterior pelvic tilt, lower back sinks into the mat, and then right side gently presses down like you're pointing the right hip at the mat, and then we come down into slight lower back extension, rolling over to the left side, left hip pointing down at the mat, and back to our posterior pelvic tilt. So let's go 4 more. Imagine a bowl of water is resting on your abdomen, and you're trying to get that bowl of water to swirl around. So you're swirling the hips around. And after 5, let's reverse directions and go the other way. Maintain a steady breath here. Keep both shoulders on the mat. Head resting gently. 2 more. Good, and rest. Let's come back to a nice neutral spine, so feet are on the mat. Knees at 90 degrees. Small little gap of space in the lower back, so natural curve in the lower back. Palms on the mat, head resting gently. Let's bring both knees into tabletop, bring those knees together, and slowly lower them to the right side. Just go about halfway. And back to center, good. We could bring the arms out a little wider for additional stability. Let's let the knees gently fall to the left side, only about halfway. Allow the right hip to lift off the mat and back to center. Good. We're going 5 each way, so 8 more total. Great job. Keep that belly tight. Shoulders stay on the mat. Four more. Almost there, nice and slow. Last set of 2. Good, come back to center. Keep those knees up. Knees are glued together. Imagine there's a pencil coming out the top of your knees, pointing straight at the ceiling, and we're going to make a circle on the ceiling. So the same pelvic bowl movement with the knees up. Maintaining a steady breath. Lower back sinks in the mat. Then we roll over to the right. Come down to the bottom where the lower back goes into slight extension. Over to the left and back up. Good. Give me 2 more. And then we'll stop and reverse direction. And let's go the other way. Great job. Last one. Good, and feet come down. Great work. And we'll finish off this workout with the modified corkscrew, bringing all those movements together. Inhale to prepare, exhale. Both knees in the tabletop. Straighten the feet and circles on the ceiling. So moving into slight posterior pelvic tilt. Feet come forward, lower back sinks in the mat. Then falls over to the right, the left hip gently lifts off the mat. Then we come down, lower back goes into slight extension, over to the right, or the left, excuse me, right hip off the mat and back up. Good, and let's keep going for 5. Maintain a steady breath. Keep those legs as straight as you can. Good job. And let's stop at the top and go the other way for 5. You're almost there. 2 more. And bend the knees. Feet come down. I'll grab the back of my legs and come on up. Thank you so much for joining me for that workout. I think we need to do a more detailed breakdown of that final movement, the modified corkscrew. So I'll do that and put it in my how-to guide playlist right here. All of my equipment is linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on them, make a purchase, I get a small commission at no extra charge to you. Please share this video with all your friends and family, and I'll see you at the next workout.